Check out this Dodge 2019 Durango GT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: black top package included, wheels 20-inch x 8.0 inches high, gloss black aluminum, gloss black badges, GT gloss black badging, gloss black exterior mirrors. Engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD. Transmission 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD. Vice white. Second row fold tumble captain chairs included. 6-passenger seating, second row mini console with cup holders, second row seat mounted inboard armrests, third row floor mat and mini console. Radio Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display included. Sirius XM Travel Link 5-year Sirius XM Travel Link service, 5-year Sirius XM Traffic service, 4 grams LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, 1-year Sirius XM Guardian Trial HD radio, Sirius XM Traffic